I came up from them framers, that's how I built this house. I came up from them painters, I put masterpieces out. Started down at the baseboard, now I'm looking like the crown mold. Crown like a king, mold like it's old, forever young, and that twilight's up. I must have drank the water from the clean spring.
Well, just another day in the shop. As you can tell behind me, we got the 1086. It's getting torn apart. Right now, we are actually working on it. We got to get the TA out. I think Dad already has that done, but I don't know yet. We haven't split it yet. Dad was going to split it in 3 different pieces: the front, then the back, and then the transmission. He hasn't done that yet, obviously. But right now we are going to be focusing on this guy right here. Yep, Clifford. This is the channel. That tire needs to come off. Well, mainly because, I mean, yeah, there's no tread. Look at that. Like, I can't even fit a penny in that. There's literally no tread. And also, one thing that we do need to do sometime is get that stud fixed and get a new lug nut for it. Other than that, it needs cleaned up one more time. I ain't got the never dull with me, but oh well. No inner fender, no fender, honestly. But this is all getting worked on, so stay tuned, guys. I'm actually going to grab this jack, and we'll get started on taking the tire off. All right. See y'all soon. So right now we are going to get started on taking this tire off. Let's get started. Then once we get this tire off, we will be, well, getting a new tire for it, of course. Alright, simple as that, guys. It's off. I want to show you guys something that actually came off of my truck. It's right here on the 4-wheeler. And also, if you guys lose your anchor to your boat, I highly suggest that you use these. Now, not particularly one that looks like this, just one that's worn out, but not as worn out as this one. This right here came off my driver's side. As you can tell, there's a damn good lip to that. Yeah, my brake pad got hung up on something. There's literally, physically, nothing left of that brake rotor. Yes, use these. Use these as an anchor. They actually work really good. It's not one that looks like that particularly. Something like this one. That is, well, this one's good, but something like this. Something that looks good but is rusted out and not too worn down like that one over there. So, yeah. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be recording while me and Dad are headed to Wayland. Yeah, look at that thing. Look at that. That's one that we have to replace. Look at that, cross side. Alright, see you guys later. This is where everything goes down. Yo, sponsored. Sponsored. Look at that golf cart. It's badass. It's so badass. Whoa. Look at that good looking truck. So as y'all know, this is my little gray truck. It's got a low tire on it. I don't know if it's that one, that one, that one, or that one. I don't know. Look at this. It's gonna need new headlights. I don't know. I could probably bust that out. Who knows? It needs this. Them still. And I just bust those out. Yeah. Look at them freaking rooms. Yeah, this is where my dad works. Pretty neat. Like I said, sponsored. My dad's toolbox. Yeah. Toad. Who the fuck I just saw? Look who I found on a fucking lawnmower.
Fuck you.
I think you're too big for that fucking thing.
Fuck you.
You know that what this is going on, right?
What?
YouTube.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'll drop him down in the comments below. Maybe. If I can remember what his name is. His name's Larry Boatright, by the way.
Fuck you.
He's a fucking queer.
Don't be putting my shit out like that, bitch.
Yeah, fuck. He's a good guy. Hey, I'm a zoomer. Look at that guy.
I'm high as hell.
Yeah, I can tell. You're high as hell and you're mowing grass that don't even need mowed.
It does too need mowed.
Yeah, I guess it does a little bit.
Fucking idiot. That's because I already mowed that.
Hey, don't run over that football over there.
I already did. That's how it went up there. It was over here.
What the fuck? How is it still in peace?
I don't know. It didn't pop.
Yeah. Is it like fucking aired?
Yeah.
I thought that was a foam one.
No.
Yeah. So yeah, he is Larry Boatright. Go check out his channel. His link is in the description below. Yeah. He's a fucking idiot. His life is fucked up too. Alright. Bye bye.
See you, bud.
Say it. No! Fuck you. Alright. This guy right here is Ben Johnston. I will put his channel in the link. I'll link his channel in the description below. Other than that, we're at the bowling alley right now. I forgot all about the outro, so here it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get all my new recent videos up to date on your phone or computer or whatever you use. But yeah, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you tomorrow.